Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. HHS to announce overhaul to child vaccine schedule aligning with Denmark. The Trump administration is planning to announce an overhaul to the childhood immunization schedule next year, recommending fewer shots and aligning U.S. policy with that of Denmark. The new vaccination schedule to be released next year would recommend fewer shots, aligning more with Denmark's vaccination schedule. The Department of Health and Human Services, HHS, was scheduled to make an announcement on children's health, but it was postponed due to competing plans from the White House. HHS Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. and his allies have routinely cited Denmark as an ideal in terms of vaccine policy that the U.S. should emulate. The presentation noted the U.S. recommends 72 childhood vaccination doses targeting 18 diseases, while Denmark only recommends 11 doses targeting 10 diseases. Pro-vaccine voices argue that Denmark does not make for a fair comparison due to its smaller population and universal healthcare system. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.